We are given a table of data that relates concentrations of reactants with initial rates of reaction, and are asked to determine the rate law, the rate constant, and the rate of the reaction at different concentrations. We will assume that the rate law is in the standard general form as follows. We will now find the ratio of two sets of experimental data. This is done by dividing the rate law for one experiment by another. We will select two experiments where the concentration of one reactant is held constant, in this case experiments 1 and 2. Notice how many of the terms divide out since they are in both the numerator and denominator of the fractions. Now we will simplify the expression. Since any integer raised to the 0 power equals 1, y must equal 1. We will now determine the value for x in a similar fashion using reactions 1 and 3. We will divide reaction 3 by reaction 1 only, because the value of the rate is larger, and it will make the math easier. At this point we can write the rate law for the reaction using the orders of reaction we just found. In part B, we are asked to find the magnitude of the rate constant, K. This will be done using the data for any of the reactions and substituting into the rate law we just found. Finally, in part C, we will use the rate law and the new concentrations given to find the initial rate for the reaction.